By 2023, SF Express had already amassed a fleet of 86 aircraft. Where did all these come from? Well, typically, they are old commercial passenger jets retired after 2 decades of service and then simply modified into cargo planes for continued operation. Back in 2009, SF Express converted its very first plane and commenced its relentless spree of purchasing retired aircraft. How much does one cost? It's quite pricey. In 2017, SF Express spent 320 million RMB to acquire 3 old Boeing 747s. Yet, buying planes was not their most impressive feat. The real marvel is SF Express's establishment of its dedicated cargo airport in Ezhou, Hubei. This is Asia's first and the world's 4th dedicated cargo airport. Prior to this, out of China's 200-plus airports, not one was solely devoted to freight. SF Express has massively invested over 200 billion in Ezhou, Hubei because it is centrally located in China. This strategic location enables SF Express to cover regions accounting for 90% of the national economic output in just over an hour. During peak times, aircraft take off or land every 3 minutes. Moreover, SF Express has optimized its turnaround time. An aircraft will not spend more than 8 minutes from landing to taxiing to opening its cargo doors, and within 5 minutes, the first batch of packages must be on the ground. A Boeing 737 can carry 14 tons of cargo per trip, and this cargo must be unloaded and sorted within half an hour. As you can see, they have honed their efficiency to the utmost. For airports solely dedicated to passenger transport, not a single one specifically catered to cargo logistics. SF Express invested a sizable 200 billion in Ezhou, Hubei. Its location in the middle of China enables SF Express to distribute goods to areas that make up 90% of the national economic output within just over an hour's time. In busy periods, planes are scheduled to take off or land every 3 minutes. Also, SF Express pushes the limits of time efficiency. Each plane has a maximum of 8 minutes from touchdown to taxiing to cargo door opening, and the first batch of cargo must hit the ground within 5 minutes. Each Boeing 737 flight can haul 14 tons of cargo, which has to be offloaded and sorted all within 30 minutes. This demonstrates how they've taken efficiency to the extreme.